The bench rules are the latest one-time tool to make their way through our shop. And manufacturing begins with the aluminum rules, which are milled one at a time at a state-of-the-art CNC mill. After the milling cycle is complete, the machine operator thoroughly inspects the roll for accuracy. He also carefully checks the fine pencil notch at the end of the tool, a small but important feature of both the aluminum and stainless steel versions of the tool. Meanwhile, the stainless blades are laser cut from sheets of steel, then cleaned up and later blasted to receive a nice satin finish. We're also making the aluminum stops for both versions of the bench rule. The stops are milled out of solid blocks of aluminum with the help of a state-of-the-art robot, which loads the aluminum blocks into a CNC mill. After the milling cycles are complete, the robot removes the freshly milled stop, rinses it, and places the part back on the shelf for inspection. We're now moving on to the next stages of production, so shipping will begin soon. But in the meantime, stay tuned for more one-time tool production updates.